So, how are issuers classified for purposes of the registration process, and why does it matter? To start with, how the issuer is classified determines what it is allowed to do during the different phases of the registration filing process. So, during the pre filing and waiting periods, the larger or typically the categorization that larger companies fall into allow the company to do more with regard to soliciting interest, etc., during this pre-filing and waiting period. There are generally four classifications. So to start with, there is the non-reporting company, and that's a company that's never gone through a public offering and is not subject to the reporting requirements of the SEC. Now, generally, even if a company has not gone through an initial public offering, it could still be a reporting company once it has more than $75 million in market capitalization. When it hits that point, it still has to make certain reports and disclosures to the SEC, even as a private company. Now, this will oftentimes encourage lots of private companies that reach that size to go ahead with the registration process. The second group is called an unseasoned issuer, and this is a company that is a reporting company but's been a reporting company for less than 12 months, or it's a reporting company that has less than the $75 million of market capitalization that we previously discussed. So this is the second category. Third category is a seasoned issuer, and the seasoned issuer exceeds the 12-month and $75 million market capitalization, but does not exceed $700 million in market capitalization. And then the last category is called a well-known seasoned issuer, and this is anything above $700 million in market capitalization. So it's the bigger or more established company in this scenario, and they're generally going to have the greatest level of rights with regard to